Let me share my thoughts on the drone. This remote control operates everything. You just turn it on. You can do that here now. It's searching while blinking. The drone has been unfolded here. The birds are incredibly flexible in their movements and behaviors. We can easily remove them. And yes, I'm going to quickly set up a new apartment here. One shouldn't generally do that, but just for the sake of simplicity and ease of understanding. We'll start the whole thing, then this will also bring results. And then we proceed to connect it, and essentially we have successfully established our reliable connection here, which will enable further communication and interaction. So, now we have started the rotors and can just take off from here with everything. I hope this doesn't go wrong with one hand. Utilizing potential is essential. We will now press the takeoff button located here, and then activate the lights again. So, we can simply fly up for a brief moment to be seen. So that's how it goes up. And we're going to go right down here. So, yes, it's not optimal with one hand, but it works without any problems.